Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the prerequisites. Your device must support focus profiles and allow wallpaper changes. Once done, locate the image you want in Photos or Files so it's ready. Now open Settings, tap Focus, and either create a new focus or edit an existing one. You're starting the actionable part now. Choose the focus, then proceed to Customize options. This sets the stage so the wallpaper switch will trigger automatically when that focus is active. Next, you'll assign the wallpaper inside the focus settings. Tap either Home Screen or Lock Screen Customization and choose Add New or Edit to pick your image. You can crop, set a style, and choose whether it applies to a single page or custom pages. Make sure to adjust dimming or blur so notifications remain readable. This matters for usability. After fine-tuning, confirm the selection and link it explicitly to the focus, so the system knows to swap wallpaper. To finish, activate the focus and observe the wallpaper change in real time. This verifies success. If the wallpaper doesn't switch, make sure the custom set is saved to that focus. Then try toggling the focus off and on or restarting your device. If problems persist, check for pending OS updates and review any other automation or profile that might override focus behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: reapply the wallpaper selection after a restart. That often resolves conflicts and forces the change to stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.